So as you may know, Emma Chamberlain very oftenly visits New York City, especially Soho and Lower Manhattan. And she may have actually had an apartment in that area too. So today we are apartment hunting in the same area, Soho and Lower Manhattan. Our budget for today is up to $3,000, so let's jump right into it. Our first place is right here, $2,778. It's also a studio and one bath. So here it looks like the kitchen area, nice window. All right, great appliances. There we go. Great. Oh, we got a nice pantry, closet area going on there. And then here would be like the studio for probably your bed or the living space. Very nice. And here is your bathroom. Wow. And then you can see the front door right from there as well. Here would be another spot, which is $2,250 a month. One bed, one bath. Very, very nice appliances here for the kitchen. Very nice. And ooh, got a brick wall. That would be like the bedroom. Nice closet and drawer space. And we have a washroom. Wow, has a spa type of feel for the washroom. Very, very nice. $2,600 a month. One bed, one bath. Looks like a very utilized place, which is very nice. So we have the kitchen area over here. Then, ooh, we extend back to the living room. Here's a different angle and the bathroom. Did you guys see that? That's actually pretty funny. He's like, oh, don't want to be seen. So I'll just use my hand over there. All right. Okay. Next we have, ooh, very nice bedroom. Nice. And we have ceiling view. Very, very nice. Nice closet space as well. All right. And you can fit a desk on the side as well. So that's quite nice for $2,600 a month. Those are some examples of places that you can get around the Lower Manhattan area. Comment below if you prefer this area or other places within New York because of the size of the apartments and the pricing as well. All right, we can't wait to hear from you in the comments, and we shall see you in the next video.